Onra, and this is another video tutorial about how to make life on the dance floor a little bit easier. Today we are talking about lashes. They're big, they're gorgeous, they're beautiful, elegant, and they look fabulous on stage. Of course, we know that you can reuse them 2 or 3 times, lashes like these, but often I see ladies taking them off and then putting them right back in the box, ready to use them for another time. No. We need to take off all the old glue first because it's going to make the lash a little bit neater, and it's going to sit a little closer to your lash line if you get rid of all the old glue. So I am here today to show you how to do that. All you need is a good pair of tweezers. This is a square tip tweezer, and I prefer the square tip because it will allow you to grab more stuff, and you'll see in a second when we get to it. So go get your tweezers, go get your old lashes, and let's get started. So here's some lashes that I used for a show a couple of nights ago, which I purposely did not clean. I saved them just for this video. As you can see, there are several little globs of glue along the lash band. So grab the lashes gently between your fingers and pull the glue off with the tweezers. Be careful not to grab any of the hairs, and especially don't pull the lash band away from the hairs. This is the only thing that's keeping everything intact. If you pull the lash band away, then you will have to get rid of your lashes because they will not be wearable again. So just move on down the lash, pulling the glue off very gently. Clean your tweezers if you have to, because the glue is very sticky and goopy, and it's good to keep the tweezers nice and clean. Keep pulling the glue off until you reach the end. And I find this really satisfying to watch, to be honest. It's quite meditative. I often would come home after a show and sit in the dark late nights and just pull the glue off my lashes. It kind of helps me to fall asleep. I don't know if that was TMI, but whatever. Anyway, so look, we're done with the lashes, and they look great. They almost look brand new. Look at that. Repeat for the other lash, and they are ready to go for another wearing. So grab the box that they came out of, put them back onto the tray, stick it back in the box, and you are done. That's all. Almost as good as new, back in the box, ready for another application. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, of course, you know you can Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, or pop me a message through my website, SalsaGoddess.co.uk, and let me know if you have ideas for any other videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.